This is the advanced tutorial. We're going to show you how to solder pro. So I've already bound the wires because I didn't want to show that on camera. But you need to do that. You need to twist the wires around each other. That's called binding them. Or past tense, bound. Now you're just going to touch it, just like before. But you want to be careful this time because you're going to go kind of fast. Now if you get a buildup, you're going to want to smear it on like that. Now sometimes it will get stuck. You just pull it off and go again. Now the tip will smoke a lot through this. And you just keep on going. You want to keep the solder on the wire. Make sure it's nice and strong. Always keep your fingers moving away from the solder, the sod, otherwise you'll get burned. Okay, you're going to take a break for a second. You're going to let the tip cool off and you smear a little bit on a piece of cardboard. Do not hold it there for too long or it will start a fire. And we do not want you to do that. Okay, so now you're going to go to the other side, the black wire, while you let that other side cool. You're going to hit the tip onto it and go. Just like before, keeping your hands a little ways back and always keeping the sod on the wire. Now this one's a bit difficult because it's in an odd position. I need to move that wire out of the way. So you're going to keep going. Just keep soldering, keep the sod on the wire. The most important part is also doing it on the bottom. You don't want a weak soldering job. So you're going to flip the wire over and get your sod again. Now you're going to want to keep your hands back, remember. You need to make sure these aren't touching too. If they touch, it's over. Short circuit. So now you're going to hold it at a distance and keep on soldering. Keep on going. Okay, that wire's done. You got a nice build-up of sod. Now you're gonna let that cool off. Okay, and then go to your other side. Flip it over. That one doesn't look bad. We'll just leave that. But anyways, if it was like a normal job, you would just solder it, get it done with. And yeah, so thanks for watching. This has been the pro soldering video.